Ladies and gentlemen, hi, my name is Goodbudjubes and we are back with another video. Today we are playing a game called Balatro. Balatireo. Well, this game is all about a poker game. It's about cards and yeah. Why there's no tutorial? What the hell? Okay, there you go. You can earn chips by playing poker hands, okay? Each poker hand earns a base amount of chips multiplied by some more, okay? See your poker hands in the run info area along with other info about your current run. I see. Straight flush. 5 cards in a row, consecutive ranks with all cards sharing the same suit. Four of a kind. I see. 3 of a kind. 5 cards of flush. I know flush. Straight. 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Straight. 3 of a kind. Okay. 2 pair. I see. Pair. And high card. If the played hand is not any of the above hands, only the highest rank card scores. I see. Cards also earn you some chips. Press and hold to see them. I see. Now tap up to 5 cards to play and press play hand. Pair. We see a pair and let's try that. Pair. That's the only thing that we do, right? Prep. Okay, that's fine. Okay. You can also discard up to 5 selected cards to try and make even stronger cards. Try it, okay. 2, 3. I'm trying to get 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, this is hard. Let's just discard one. There you go, okay. Careful, you only have a limited number of hands and discards per round. Earn 300 chips before you run out of hands to win this round. Good luck. So, we can possibly... Let's discard this. There you go, full house. There's a full house, yep. No, damn it! Why did I do that? What? Oh, I'm so dumb. Crap, that's a full house. Why did I do that? Oh crap. Pair. Okay. Oh, flash. Ano, straight. Yeah, Leon. Come on now. There you go. Times 4. Okay, we're fine. Even though we are sucks at everything we do, we still got it. Cash out worst $4. What do we do now? But okay. Nicely done. Now that you're flush with cash, you can buy some new cards from the shop. Next, try buying this handsome devil. Drag it from the shop into the bar. That's you. What's wrong with you? Okay. This is one of the 150 jokers. You can add to your run. Every joker does something different, okay? This one adds +4 multi to every hand you play. Be picky, you can only... Okay, 5 joker cards, okay? Now buy the other card from the shop. What's this? Enhance 2 selected cards to mode. This start card is a consumable. This one will enhance your playing cards. Hold onto it. You can carry up to 2 consumable cards with you at a time. If you save up enough, you can buy a voucher. Vouchers passively upgrade your run. Vouchers are stocked after you defeat the boss blind. And check out both of the booster packs in every shop. They're full of goodies. Let's move on the next round. Oh, selecting the big blind will earn some cash. Parang I think I understand this now. Which is to skip it or to get a tag. Each tag has a unique effect. But keep an eye on the boss. It has an ability you'll need to plan around. Discard 2 random cards per hand. Oh, that's okay. That's fine. If you beat it, then the anti-goats goes up and all blinds become harder. Oh yeah, I see. Beat anti-A to win, now choose your path. Just like that. Okay, now we're playing. Ako na lang ba? No, not yet. When you get more cards, remember you can rearrange them. Jokers trigger in order from left to right. And make sure that you use your consumables. Select up to 2 cards in your hand and drag the tarot card into the use area to enhance them. Oh, I'm gonna use it now. What do you mean? Let's do Joker. No, that's... Let's skip that. Oh, we skip. So, we can do is 2 pair. Let's play hand that. That's 2 pair. What is this? Plus 4 multiplier. Oh, yep. Okay. Wait. 1, 2. Let's discard this 3. Right? Let's discard this. Hoping for the best. Another 2 pair. Do we want to? Let's not do that yet. Because if we look at this, what I'm trying to do, what? I'm trying to do a flush, I think. Yeah, 4, 5. No, that's not flush. Straight, I mean. Straight. So, straight is bigger than 2 pairs. So, let's try to discard those. A full house. Full house is big, right? Yeah, full house. Yeah, let's try full house. Full house! And I think we can pass that score. Right? Yup. We're fine. We didn't even use the tarot, man. We didn't even use the tarot. There you go. $6. Ooh. Level up 2 pairs. I would love to take that. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I only use those. Well, I can't use anything. That's next round na. $600. We're fine. We can use this, right? Oh, yes. There you go. 2 pair. There you go. There you go. 2 pairs. We need 2 pairs. So we can... No. That's high card. That's only high card. We can discard these faces for now. Oh god. Let's try one more. Hoping for the best. Straight. Is straight 2 pair. And a straight. Damn it. Yeah, let's try straight first. Hoping for the best that we can, there you go. Come on. And then times 4 multiplier. Nice. 480! Yes! Baby! Quip. I guess we can do this, right? No, we can't. Let's discard the faces. Crap! Let's discard this. There you go, 2 pairs. Nice. Let's play that. There you go, 2. Okay. Level 2 yung 2 pair natin. Then times 4. There you go. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, baby. There you go. Easy. Easy. But they said this game goes hard. Oh, what is this? This Joker gains one multi per consecutive hand played without a scoring face card. Huh. This Joker gains multiplier for each card sold. Resets when Boss Blight is defeated. Each card sold? What do you mean sold? Oh god, I'm so confused. Choose one of up to 3 playing cards to add. You know what? Let's buy the standard part kung whatever this is. Woo! What is this? Classic chips. $3 if this card is held in hand at end of a round. Okay. Nine of spades. Ooh, ace of spades. 11 chips. Plus 30 extra chips. It's either we go to the money or chips. I think we're gonna go for the money, yeah. And we're going to... Oh, we can buy this, yeah. Let's buy another one. Because why not? Oh! What is this? 1 in 4 chances to destroy card. Earn $3 when this card is played and scores. But that's so risky. Woo! Ito na lang. What is this? Retrigger this card one time. Ito na lang. I like that. And we're going to choose this Joker because we usually discard the faces. So maybe it help us. Let's discard this for now. Right? 3 pair. 3 of a kind, I mean. We can use... No, we can't. 4, 5... No, so... Let's discard this. Hope for the best. There you go. But that is... Ah, good. Let's discard this 1, 6. Maybe this also 3. There you go. Oh no, face card. Is this card? One more shot. One more shot. Okay, two of 4 of a kind. Let's play that. Oh, 4 of a kind. Oh, that's fine. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Oh, that's fine. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. Oh, damn. Damn. Okay, that's fine. That's so fine. Oh, God, that's so fine. Damn, son. $6. We have 9. Oh, what's this? If played hand contains a straight. Straight is that 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the bean? Plus 500 hand size reduced by 1 every round. Huh? That sounds sick. Choose one of up to 3 playing cards. Booster. Let's buy this. Where we do have this. Creates the planet card for final play. The poker hand of round if held in hand. Creates a tarot card when discarded. Ooh. Tarot card when discarded. But I love this. No, let's try this. And, you know what? Yun lang muna. Next round na tayo. Oh my god, 1200. We need to go big here, guys. Let's discard this. Because we can't use those. We can do 2 pair. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Let's play hand that. 2 pair. Let's see how many we end up making. Oh, crap. Another one? Oh! Full of 2 pairs! That's nice. And another 2 pair here. Another 2 pair. Aw, that's cute. Okay. I guess we're fine. We passed the big blind. Yep. This is sick. This might be the most addicting game. And if ever my mom catches me playing a poker game, I will be dead. That's 2 chips for each remaining card in deck. Oh, that's... This Joker gains +3 multiplier when any booster pack is skipped. What do you mean booster? This booster? This is the booster pack, correct? Oh, what is this? 5 tarot cards to use immediately. Oh no, I don't know. What is this? You know what? Let's risk this. Let's do that. We're gonna choose. Ooh, what is this? Grim. Destroy 1 random card in your hand and 2 random enhanced aces to your hand. Add foil, holographic, or polochrome effect to 1 selected card in hand. Add polochrome to a random joker. Destroy all other jokers. Oh, I hate that. Converts all cards in hand to a single random rank na -1 hand size. I'm gonna do this. Oh crap. Dalawa. Wait lang. I don't do that. So maybe this. Right? How do I do this? What do you mean? What? I'm so confused. How many? 1 selected card in hand. Let's do 10. Let's do 10, yeah. Oh, another one. Okay, wait now. I don't want to destroy all my jokers. Destroy 1 random card in your hand and 2 random enhanced aces to your hand. Maybe this. But my ace is only 1. Maybe we do this. Hey! Oh, that's okay. You know what? I am happy to do that. All diamonds card are debuff. That's fine. Diamond card. Crap. Crap. Um, you know what? Let's discard a hole. Okay. That might be the bad idea. We can three of a kind, but three of a kind is 30 times 3. Let's try. Let's try to discard this. Okay, 2 pairs. Full house. Oh my god, I almost missed that. I almost missed the full house. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh! Hey, that's big. That's so big. Wait, is this count as a full house? Kahit debuff tong 8? Is it? Debuff, that's fine. It still count as a full house. I mean, you know what? That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Yes, $7. $7. If first hand of round is a single 6, destroy it ends greatest spectral card. If first hand of round has only one card, other permanent copy to deck. I see the Celestial Pack is the most sufficient way. Oh, Earth. Level up full house. Straight flush. 4 of a kind. What is 4 of a kind? We do usually use the full house. Yeah. Try lang natin mag full house. Because we're mostly use full house instead of those two. Right? Just one of... But this... I don't want. Maybe. Hindi pala natin kaya bilhin. If first hand of round is a single 6, destroy it and create a spectral card. Do we want though? Wait. Where is my thingy? Can I see? Oh, collections. No, I don't. Damn it. You know what? Let's buy this. You know what? No. Next round muna tayo. 2,000 chips. Full house already. I told you. Full house. Full house. How many we end up here? 1,800. Hmm. And another 2 pairs. Yup, we're fine, dude. We're fine. We're fine, dude. There you go, 2,800. There you go. We pass the small blind. Oh no, there's $6. We have 12. Ooh, this is sick. Chase for each remaining card in deck. What is this? Ooh. I kinda like that. Choose one of up to 5 planets card to use immediately. Is it good sa Arcana Park? Because I'm just using this this planet pack eh. Saturn. Straight. I don't. Pair. I don't. Flush. Maybe. Two pair. High card. Two pair tayo. Two pair. Uranus. Oh! Level 3 na yung two pair natin. Yup. And I want to buy this because why not? There you go. 330. Oh my goodness. If four of a kind is high, we can risk it by discarding these three. There you go, four of a kind. Play hand. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. There you go. There you go. Nice. Plus 50. Plus 4. Plus 9. Plus 90. Oh! Yeah, baby! And that is 3 discards. That's chips, right? Yeah, that's chips. Yeah, that's fine. Yes, $7. See, oh, what are you? 1 in 2 chance to create a tarot card when any booster pack is opened. Three of a kind. Am I three of a kind? I don't use three of a kind that much. Mega Arcana. Oh, that's I have only 8. You know what? I want to open this. I want to buy that. And I want to buy this. Oh, I have 2. Word. Converts up to 3 selected cards to spades. Hearts. A gold card. But I have a gold card. I don't want... You know what? Ito. I-heart natin yan. What? 3 selected cards. That's turned into hearts. Oh, that's sick! Oh my god, that's so good. I think. And now all the hearts are debuffed. Oh my god. Why do you like this? I'm going to discard this, right? That's 2 pair. But 2 of them are debuff. But it's still 2 pair. Let's see. Ooh, you know what? Not that bad. Oh, we need to discard this. So we're gonna discard these 3. Hope for the best that we don't. Damn it. Let's do another 2 pairs because I feel like we're gonna pass this. I feel like. If my calculations are correct. There you go. Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. 5,300. We're fine. Ooh, Joker unlock. But the Joker unlock. We're ante-up. Achievement unlock. Whew! This game is addicting. What is this? All play cards in final hand. Oh, nga no, hindi pa ako bumibili ng ano. Oh, that's 10. No! Choose one of up to 3 playing cards to add to your deck. You know what? We don't spend anything muna. Let's try. 5,000. Already. 2 pair. Go big or go home? That's the question because if we risk To discard this 3, we might get a full house. Yeah, let's discard that. Please! Damn it! That's fine. 2 pair. We gonna go like something like 2,000 plus. Like 2,800 or something. If I remember correctly. Ooh! 3,400. We don't do that. Yeah, let's discard that. Oh, freak. Do we get something? Pair, only pair. Let's discard this more. Okay, we're fine. No, we're not fine. Oh, no, we're not fine. Oh, crap, we're not fine. Take 7, 8. No, that's just a high card. Fine, let's discard this. Yeah, let's discard that. There you go, 2 pair. And I feel like we're fine. Plus $3 because of the gold card. Right? There you go. Oh, that's close. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. But we're fine. We're fine. Okay. $7. Woo! Red. Ay, heart. Kailangan natin yan. Marami tayong heart. I just buy it for some reason. And we want to do that because it's added our hand. That's one hand. Now let's next round because we can't buy anything. Oh, 700, 7,500. Okay. We can do this. 2 pair. Plus 3 multipliers as hearts. Oh my god, that's so broken, I think. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. 1, 2, 3. So if we discard these 3, we're fine. Pair. Let's discard this. Because why not? Crap. Let's discard this. Yeah. Let's discard that. There you go. Full house, baby. There you go. Full house. Yeah, baby. Because I feel like the more chips, the more excess chip you get, the more money you get. What? 1,100. 11,200. Woo, baby! How many money do we get? We currently have $5. $7. Okay, that's still the same. Woo! Hologram. This Joker gains added to your deck. Oh, that's broken. Earn $2 per discard if no discards are used by end of the round. It's either we want to discard or want to discard. Ito parang hindi naman natin to na ano eh. So, we're gonna sell this. There you go, we sell that. And we're gonna buy this. Because I feel like it will help us. Tapos bibili na natin tong Celestial Pack. Earth is full house. So, we're gonna... Oh, it's either 2 pair or full house. You know what? Full house muna tayo. Full house, yeah. Full house. There you go. There you go. Fine. That's fine. Next round. 10,000. Ooh. You know what? I want to use Enhance two selected cards to molt. You know what? I want to do this 3 and oh god, I want. Yeah, let's go that. Let's use this. Hey! There you go. What did that do? Multi-card? What? What is this? Give the total sell value of all current Joker max of 50, currently $11. What that even mean? What? You know what? Let's discard this because I'm so confused. And we get a full house. Yes. Round it up. Do the thing you did. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. Ito pala, nadi-discard pala tong purple. Yeah. Oh, 7200. So we're gonna. Ooh. Raise a tarot card when discarded. We can do this because it's still a 2-pair. Let's play that. And if I'm correct, we might reach the 10,000. Yup, 11,000. Yeah, baby. Okay. Okay. $7. What is this? Does nothing. Neptune. Straight flush. Ang problema kasi hindi natin masyadong nakukuha yung yung straight flush eh. I mean we don't get profile. Maybe a flush. Straight. Wait, let's see. A straight is like 7, 8. Yeah, straight. And this 4 of a kind. Magkakaparehas lang sila, diba? No. Oh god, this thing is so sucks. Straight. 4 of a kind. Let's do 4 of a kind. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, 4 of a kind tayo. 4 of a kind. Yeah, use 4 of a kind. Yep. Yup. Buffoon. Choose one of up to 2 Joker's card. You know what? Let's try that. Buffoon Puck. Woo! Earn 1 at the end of round. Payout increased by $2 when boss blind is defeated. +1 mult per hand played. -1 per... Oh, I hate this. Damn it, that sucks. That sucks. We just waste a money. 11,000. Let's discard that. 2 pair. Let's play that. 2 pair. Okay. +3 multiplier. Okay, 4. 18 plus 90. Okay, 5,600. 4, 5, 6, 7. No, we can't. We're going to solve this and hope for the best. Ooh, damn it! 2 pair. That's 2 pair slash 2 pair is mas Tuper is much higher than Flush because of its level. So we're going to do the Tuper. And we might be passing that 11,000. Maybe. No, we don't. Oh. Yeah, we're fine, yeah. Another Tuper. $15,000. $6. Oh, $6. Okay. Cash out 5. Okay, $5. Uranus, 2 pair. Enhance one selected card into gold. What does even this do? Ano ba magagawa nito? Oh! What? You know what? Let's choose this. Please! Three of a kind, straight. You know what? Because I want, maybe we can get a full row of hearts. That might be come in handy. We're going to buy the Arcana pack. Is it? You know what? Next round. Maybe we don't need it. Maybe. Full house. That's full house. One heart. That's times 3. That's times 4. Okay. That's big but not big enough. I want to discard this. Yeah, let's discard this 3. Huh. Let's discard this 2. There you go, full house. Yet again, full house. And mostly is hearts. Mostly is hearts. Hey! 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 Oh my god, 19,000 10k. Yeah! Yeah! Joker. Ooh, what is that, Joker? 16,500. Ooh, $9. Ooh, what is this? Played cards with odd rank gives. Oh, odd numbers. Is it good? Plus 10. You know what? Let's sell this. There you go. And we're gonna buy this because I want to see if it's effective. And let's buy another celestial pack. Hope for the best. We get 2 pair. 2 pair, right? 2 pair. Yay! 2 pair. I love 2 pair. We love 2 pairs. Yay! Level 4. Let's next round. 22,000. That's gonna be hard as crap. Wait. 5 of a kind? It's not even in the thingy. Let's do full house. Oh, 120. Nah. That's like 1,000, right? Yeah, I feel like a 5 of a kind is higher. I think. Oh! And it's odd! Oh god! Woo! 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 Wow! I'm. Oh god. Cards drawn face down after each hand played. Oh no! I hate this. Crap. So we can rank. This is rank. So this is might be lower than 5. And this is higher. This is not higher. Oh god. Let's play that. Oh no! That's a face. We're fine. I'm so confused. You know what? It is fine, it is. Let's cash out $10. Ooh, a smiley face. Play 5 face cards, give +5 more when scored. This is +24, so no go. Joke, uncommon. I have only uncommon. Celestial ulit tayo. Come on, 2 pair! Uranus! Damn it. Pair, high card. Flush. Let's buy flush again, because why not? I'm just hoping na we might be onto something. 20,000. 2 pair. You love to see it. You love to see it. 2 pair. You love to see it. It's 2 pair. Okay. Let's see. 11,000. Okay. We can. Ooh, we can possibly get a flush here. There you go, a flush. A flush. A flush. Or I want. You know what? Let's play flush because this is the first time. How many hearts we get this? 31. Come on. 31. No. Nope, 31. 31. Another 31. There you go. There you go. Hey! Easy peasy. Lemon is squeezy, baby. Let's go. How many dollars we get? We get $10. Woo! 2 chips. What is this? A spade. Played cards with spade suit gives +3. So parang hearts lang. I want? No, that's only +3. But this hologram only ×1 multi. You know what? Let's sell this. That is might be the bad idea that I do. And we're gonna buy these 2 celestial pack because why not? Woo! Venus. Oh, choose 2. 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, straight flush. Oh god, this is so. Let's do 4 of a kind because sometimes we get that. Okay. And straight because why not? Ha! We're gonna buy another one of these. Gonna choose one. Planet X. 5 of a kind. Yan yung 5 of a kind. Uranus! 2 pair. Basta pag 2 pair. Takasan lang natin yung 2 pair na yan. 2 pair is saving us. No. What ante means? I don't know. What the ante means? Woo! Full house. Wait, this... Oh, God. You know what? Let's play this. This is full house, right? Oh, God. Oh, yeah, I forgot the spade, yeah. 15,000. Another full house. You know what? Let's just discard this 3. Okay. Let's discard this 4 more. Okay. Okay. What is this? So we can do this, right? There you go, yeah. We can do that. That's a full house. But full of spades and hearts, which is times plus 3 multiplier each. Come on, come on. There you go, yes! Woo! Let's go! Okay. How many dollars we get? $10. Yeah, baby. Woo! What is this? When small blind or big blind is selected, gain 0.5 multiplier and destroy a random joker. No, I don't want that. What is this? Ano ba to? Enhance one selected. Oh, stone card. Steel card. Stays on hand. Pluto. High card. Repair. Let's do 5 of a kind. Let's do 5 of a kind. Yeah. Choose one of up to 3 playing cards to add to your deck. You know what? What is this? No. Hindi ko alam mo ante. What is ante? Enhances one selected card into a steel card. Parang ganito rin yata to. O nga stone card. Plus 50 times 1.5 multiplier. You know what? Let's buy that. Next round. No repeat hand types this round. No! I'm gonna discard that because we don't need it. A full house full of hearts and spades. We can go that. Okay. I'm thinking here. Because I know this is not might be enough. Because that's 40,000. And there's no... Ooh! I might want to use this tower. Because it turned to stone. And I know stone is stone. And a card. Let's try that. Oh, that's nice. That's a waste though. So maybe we can try to get rid of this 3 and hope for the best to give us a 9. No, we don't, but we have 3 pairs. 3 of a kind, I mean. It's only... Can I did this? No, I don't. I know this plus 50, right? Yeah, plus 50 chips. But that's small. We're going to try this another one. Let's discard this. One more. Come on, give me something good. Ooh, a flash. A flash. No, that's not a flash. This is a flash. If we do this times 20. Yeah, we're going to do the flash, yeah. And this is all hearts. But that's not enough. Okay, 2 pair and a stone. 2 pair and a stone. There you go. Yeah, we get this, yeah. I'm not even bothered. Yeah, we get this. We're fine. 70, yeah, we're fine. 55,000. Yeah, baby. This game is so addicting. Oh my god. I love this game. Okay. Cash out $10. Woo, a popcorn. -4 multiplier per game. +1 hand size. What is this? What is ante? I don't know what ante means. Choose one of up to 3 playing cards to add to your deck. Oh, it's standard pack. What this ante? Can I like ask something? No. Next round. Let's do our next round. 35,000. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So high. Let's get rid of this. Huh. Let's discard that. 7/7. Oh, this might be our 35,000. Oh god, this is so bad. This is so bad. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a straight. But if we wait lang, if we do straight 60 times 7, 60 times 7. But if we this, oh yeah, this is 3 of a kind. 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a straight. Let's try that. Now I'm scared. Now I am scared. It's big but not big enough. Oh god. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a high card. We don't want high card. I'm gonna risk it. We're just gonna risk it. Crap. Crap. We're dead. We're done. There's no way. Let's play that. This might be our end. This might be our end. I'm scared. Okay, maybe we're not. A full house. There is hope. Come on. We need 10,000. We need 10,000. Come on. Come on, give it to me. 10,000. Yes! Yay! Let's go! Yay! We're still on the game. Yay! $9. Let's go. Ooh, ano yan? Reserve parking. Each face card held in hand has a 1 in 2 chance to give $1. Huh. Interesting. Earth. Full house. Yeah, let's do for full house. Because full house and 2 moon converts up to 3 selected cards to clubs. We don't kinda care about clubs. Next round. Big blind. Two pair. That's 2 pair, baby. 52,000. Oh my god. I mean, not bad. Oh, full house. Hey! Ay, yung ace ba, no? Face na rin bang ace? No. Maybe. No, it's not. Okay, we're fine. What? 3, 4, 5. Tanggalin lang natin to. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6. We need 6. Okay then. 3, 4, 5. Let's discard this. Okay, we get that 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? Let's discard this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Maybe we get something good. We don't. Another one. You know what? That's fine. I did it because I know that we're gonna get more than 1,000, right? So I just spend all my discards so I can see if we get more higher chips. Because why not? 52,000. We get in the back the 52,000. We get $10. Yes. A star converts up to 3 selected cards to diamonds. Each played card with spade suit gives you. So pwede itong magtulong. It's better to 30 chips. Yeah. I feel like. Because this is spade, right? This is spade. So we're going to sell this. We're gonna buy this. We're gonna buy this celestial pack. Oh, we're rich. $36. Earth, full house. There's no... Oh, Uranus. Is either full house or 2 pair. Let's go 2 pair. I love 2 pair, man. I love 2 pair. You can't do nothing about it. I love 2 pair. So let's next round. 70,000! Crap. Rank. I don't want to roll the high. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's straight! Oh! That's lucky, man. That's straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey! I'm cheating. I want to discard this because I don't want... Ugly card. But you know what? We can roll with it. A flush. What? A flush. We can sell these two for the hope. A flush. You know what? We're going to play this. We're going to play this flush, and it's all full of hearts. And hope for the best that we get a 2 pair. We can get a 2 pair, but our multiplier is 39, so we're not gonna do that. Let's discard this for the best. We're gonna discard. Yeah, we're gonna discard. Oh, we don't have any discard. 4 of a kind. That might do the trick. Play hand. Oh no, this might be our end. Oh no. This is bad for us. Oh no. Oh, 2 pair. Is there any way? Ito na lang meron tayo. Kapag di tayo nabigyan ng 20,000 dito, we are dead. Oh no! Oh no! Come on! No! If I had hands, I would have covered my eyes. Yeah! Damn it! Damn it! Ha! Ha! Well, yun lang yun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell for more. And see you guys to the next video. Bye.